You are going to love the 2020 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.